In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Brevo. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Brevo sign-up page. You can usually find it by searching Brevo sign-up or by using the link provided on the official website. Take a moment to make sure the page you are on is the correct sign-up page, since this is where you will create your account. When the page loads, you should see fields for your details and a button to continue. Next, you will enter your email address and create a password. Choose an email address that you can access because you may need it to confirm your account or to log in later. For the password, create something secure but also something you can remember, since you will need it each time you sign in. After you have entered both the email and password, double-check that everything is typed correctly. This small check can save time if anything needs to be corrected before you submit. Now, depending on how you want to sign up, you have an option to use Google. If you want quick sign-up, click Sign Up with Google. This option usually helps you avoid manually entering additional account details, and it can speed up the process. After you click it, you may be prompted to select a Google account and confirm access. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully until the sign-up flow completes. When the process finishes, you should be taken forward toward the Brevo dashboard. Once your account is created, the next thing you will do is navigate your dashboard. After you sign in successfully, look for the main area of the Brevo workspace, often called the dashboard or home screen. This is the central place where you manage campaigns, contacts, and messaging features. Spend a few seconds orienting yourself. You do not need to click everything right away. Instead, focus on finding the section where campaigns are created, such as a button or menu item that says Campaigns, Create Campaign, or something similar. After you locate the campaign area, create your first campaign. The process can vary slightly depending on the options Brevo offers at the time, but the basic idea is the same. You will usually start by selecting a type of campaign, such as an email campaign, and then proceed through setup steps. Follow the prompts on screen and make your way through the campaign creation flow. If you see fields for the campaign name or subject line, complete them as needed. Keep your goal in mind as you work, because a clear campaign setup makes the rest of the process smoother. As you continue, take your time reviewing what each section is asking for. For example, you might be asked to choose a list or audience for the campaign, and you may need to confirm who will receive your message. If there is an editor or a template area, use it to set up your content. If you are able to previewing is a helpful step because it lets you check how your campaign will look before you send anything. After you create the campaign and fill in the required details, look for an option to review or save. Saving ensures your work is not lost, especially if you plan to come back later to refine the campaign. If Brevo provides a review screen, use it to confirm the campaign settings match what you intend. This is also a good moment to confirm your audience and message details before moving forward. Finally, once your first campaign setup is complete, you are ready to proceed within Brevo based on your campaign goals. At this point, you have done the essential setup actions. You signed up, you got into your dashboard, and you created your first campaign. And that covers the foundation you need to start sending and improving your messaging over time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.